RJ Russo Modular, the modular industry's best manufacturing facility. Modular manufacturing gives you more control over building cost, time to market, staff management, and quality of a project. Russo Modular is able to control both the supply chain and building cost by taking advantage of in-house manufacturing of modular components and advanced BIM modeling systems. This allows us to not only manufacture with unmatched efficiency, but track manufacturing processes that improve both the cost and time to manufacture each project. Site prep and manufacturing happen at the same time, which cuts down on the time it takes from project inception to opening the doors. RJ Russo modular buildings are built in a controlled environment, eliminating lost time that leads to delays. Faster speed to occupancy allows you to capture more revenue and serve customers sooner. With Russo Modular overseeing the building details, this allows you and your team to spend less time managing an individual project and spend more time on regional expansion at many sites. Our proven manufacturing systems and construction expertise ensures well-built quality buildings for each project. RJ Russo Modular.